Hello, come up to our Philo commercial coffee machine. This is our two group, and for the big coffee shop. First, I will show you the diameter of the dimension of the machine. See here, about 77 centimeter. Each group inside is the stainless steel water boiler. So this is the coffee cup rack. Take it out. Take it out to show you the water. The wastewater will come out, and then the wastewater will collect from here to the water drain. And this is the city water connect, because this is the no water tank. This is a automatic water inlet. Okay. Steam. So it's simple to introduce you about this button. Oh, this is the steam on-off switch. This is the coffee on-off switch. Coffee on-off switch. And here, this menu. This is the small cup, 1 cup, 2 cup, 2 small cup button. This is 1 big cup, 2 big cup, different. So this is the same. This control the group 1, control group 2. Here have the barometer to show the coffee, make coffee pressure. This is the steam, the water come out the meter. Okay. So each machine inside have a shipping label. We will stick here the shipping label. So in fact we will know each machine will go around the world, and then we will give you 1 year's warranty. The warranty we will prepare. We will supply the spare parts for you. So this we have a warranty and have the different. Now you see our stainless steel. This is a mirror stainless steel. It's a high quality. It's a thickness more than 2 mm. It is strong. Okay. So this machine different from the small one. The pump inside we use the rotating way pump. This is for the commercial use one. I show you. CM3201. It's a 2 group. 2 group. And the pump used is a rotating wing pump. And inside each group have a 500 ml stainless steel boiler, and also have a big one stainless steel boiler, 7 liter boiler to make hot water, steam. So with this one we can at the same time to make coffee and steam to to mix the milk powder. And the power for this model is a 4.2 kilowatt. It's the big power model. So for this model, you can see the cable. We supply this big cable but without the plug, because it is a 4.2 kilowatt, it's over 3 kilowatt, cannot just connect the plug. You should be connect the air switch. Connect the air switch, okay? So this is a more safety and heavy duty model. I suggest you, your big coffee machine, coffee shop, use this big machine. This is the steam switch. Because this one has to connect city water automatic. Yeah, and the water cannot just pool water. Should be use the salt water. With the water filter is better, because inside we also need to clean the scale each week, each month, like this. Yeah, this each coffee pressure is a light bar. Light bar is a professional. It's better to make coffee and keep the coffee taste good. Because the coffee is high pressure to make the coffee, you will feel the coffee a little sour. Okay, so this light bar to make the coffee pressure is more better. Keep the taste good. You know, here, in fact, inside is it's hot plate. So this hot plate, we will keep the coffee cup here to keep warm. Because each time you take the warm cup to make coffee, to take the coffee, it will keep the taste. If you take a cool cup, that's not good, because each time the water, maximum water temperature is 93 to 96 Celsius degree, and then come out the coffee will go to 90 degree or 88 degree like this, and then we will use the coffee cup about 60 degree, 70 degree to keep the coffee. So that's perfect to keep coffee, right? This is whole stainless steel. This can take it out. Inside, if you want to make up, just lose the screw. Can quite easy to test, to check the machine, any faulty or any problem. And at the bottom, you can see all the on-off switch is here. Okay, all the switch and the water on the water pipe here connect. Show you. Here. Oh, here.
This is an HEM sample.
Oh, just insert on and then connect the city water. Okay. And this is the spare part. And each machine will come with 2 of them. And this rack. Okay. You got hot water come out, the steam pipe. This is a very hot one, so don't only stay here. You can move, right? Okay. And for the small cup and or the high cup, you can. Okay. We have a warranty, remember, right? So this machine, we also have installed. We can deliver it in 3 days. So good price, short time delivery days, and have warranty. ITOP Kitchen. Remember, come here.